Perform oil change already, so you have to set the maintenance repair light for it to schedule for next servicing, whether 3 months or 6 months, which is 5,000 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers. So due to that, we have to perform the resettings here on the screen, and I want to show you how to do it without suffering. So with no machine and with just tapping, I'm going to show you, but then click the subscribe button for this channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated, because this is your mechanical home, the home of auto, the nation's mechanic. You can call me your car doctor. Welcome to Eric Auto Center, and we are here to perform another auto tip for you to do it yourself at your comfort zone wherever you are. So stay tuned and watch, follow the steps. You turn on the ignition key without starting it. Then make sure you press the odometer trip to trip A. Then you turn off the ignition. Then press the odometer button. Turn down the ignition. Then resetting maintenance is working in the system until it started 100%. Don't remove your fingertips. So it is done, and let's see what will happen after starting the car. Okay, so maintenance has been reset successfully for the next 10,000 kilometer or 5,000 kilometer, which is your choice, and this is how we do it. Thanks for watching. Let me see your comment in the comment box and thumbs up. Thanks again. I really appreciate your support.